Pretty dark in here, but quick little cut. Boys are on the night shift. We couldn't wait. We just got the welder bottle and shit today, got some MIG wire, and we had to go and chuck in. Not bad, brother.
Hitting every position with 100% penetration.
Waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulders, tracking down some moments back in time. I could've swore that I was in it, down to every minute. Don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine. Oh my. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. Do it again. Little too much southern comfort, hanging with my friends, all playing games. We all started at a full house, ended up just me and good old James. I could've swore that I was winning, kinda had a feeling. Last thing I remember, I was drinking till the moonshine. Oh my. got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line. May not know just where I'm at, no idea when I'll get back. There's so much you just can't explain. No, I'm not one to lose control, but I don't really care at all how it ends or where it begins. And I'll do it again. Do it again.
Trying to work out our bender. We haven't bent steel at this diameter before, and we just did our first bend and it had a bit of a kink. So we've moved these dogs out. See how we go.
Looking a lot better.
Looking a lot better, you reckon?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Shift it over a smidge. Check this rig up. We're just hanging the fuel tank and we're trying to get it so it's sitting at the right height, so we've still got a little bit of clearance from underneath.
We needed an extra set of hands, so we made some.
Crack up.
Show them your beautiful bar work, mate.
Oh yeah, mucked around a little bit this afternoon. Start of the bar.
Oh. These red dots are our very temperamental bar bender. So you got to start like 10 pumps, 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 10 pumps.
Yeah.
Takes a minute.
It's a right prick.
But yeah, it stops us doing this. This guy's kinked.
Yeah, you don't want that. Crack up. The shit you gotta do, when you don't have the right setup.
Oh well, at least we got beer.
Well, a few hours and a few beers, and the tank is officially
We done something.
pretty much in. Pretty hard to see in this light. Got those in, got this support in.
We're still going to do another one here.
Yeah.
Just to add a little bit of strength for the G's. You know, we're going to have some mad G's coming back.
The big tank.
Throwing you in your seat.
Yeah, and it actually works out quite well with the seat.
Yeah. Who measured that?
Nah, man. Pretty much lining up all the fuel lines, all that kind of stuff now.
Yeah. So next mission is bend these guys. Got to bend them up to this. But hey, all the electrical plugs worked out, mint. That was good. Had to undo a few things, but too easy, mate.
Nice. There's our seat mount. Beauty.